That was nuts.
That was crazy.
Are you ready to be sacrificed? Because look at us, we definitely were.
We're just outside Richmond, Virginia at the Nefarious Haunt Experience, and wow, it is an experience.
They are now a haunted trail, whereas they used to be a haunted house. And let me tell you, the haunted trail is crazy. Just look at us right now.
It was wild.
So let's go in and get some scares.
Yeah.
Sending us out in the middle of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, is that a person?
I don't know.
What is that thing? Shit, I knew it! I knew it!
Oh my God.
I knew you would!
Oh my God.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, they're going to eat us. Look, he's peeling
We get around the tree.
No! We would have already been dead in a real horror movie. What is that noise? This doesn't sound very good over here.
Someone's been camping.
Ooh, somebody was eating something.
Uh-oh. Oh, great. Wait a minute. We are back where we started.
Hello?
Hello.
Where are you?
Did we lose you? Did he get kidnapped? Missing Derek. One of our crew is missing.
Oh no.
I think he was kidnapped. There you are. What are you doing out here?
You found your way out?
I got go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, yep. Oh. I think we're not welcome there anymore. Jesus Christ. I thought that was you.
Doesn't look like Jesus. What
No.
are you talking about?
What was that?
He just threw a stick at us.
Yep.
No. Oh, it's a leg. It's a deer leg.
What?
Oh, man.
Oh my God.
There's a bunch of
Oh my
dead
God.
animals. Ew, it stinks.
It does stink. Like rotten meat.
Oh. Oh.
It's like deep fresh.
Ew. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, man.
Sorry about it.
Man.
I didn't know you had a chocolate.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh my God.
It's a real chicken. Oh my God. I've still got a toe. No.
What do I have to do?
What is this?
Oh, fox.
Oh, is that a real chicken?
Oh,
Yes.
we're cooking it? Oh. Great. Oh, he's supposed to. Oh.
Oof.
Oh, God. Gross.
We got a visitor.
Oh, God, he's coming back.
Oh.
This demon's picking his nose.
Hello.
Hello.
Come. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay. And then. Bang. Bang. Good. You?
Yes.
Yes. Come.
Oh,
Sit. You like Gary?
Gary.
Hello, Gary.
Gary?
Hi, Gary.
Yeah. Hi, Gary.
You are going to be Gary.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Hang me up.
Well, I don't know what that's going to
Oh.
Stop it.
Oh my God.
Close. No. Bring the drum outside. We go outside.
Throw him outside. This is real.
Yes. Come.
Oh, you're about to be on a cross.
Oh my god.
If I fart on that when you light it, we're gonna have a problem.
Maybe. Yeah.
Oh.
Can we at least keep the drum?
Oh shit, the gods are angry. No,
The gods
my
are
drum. My drum.
Thought I was about to be a kebab. Hey, it's Rabbit Man again.
Oh.
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 He's-
But. Oh. It's going to it.
Rhythm is gonna get you. Oh.
Probably isn't good. There's a bunch of bombs right here. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no.
Is this dance party?
She's locking us in.
Missing children.
Look. Missing.
Yeah.
Eek!
Oh,
Eek!
2. There's room for more than 2.
Just two.
Just 2. Got to figure out how to get to that key.
Where'd he put it?
Right there. He just ran it.
There's a stick. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get this lock. We gotta get this key. Good job, good job. We are getting out of here.
This bridge. Hey! It's the Easter Bunny Massacre.
No.
What, Sarah?
Push it.
Push harder!
Listen.
They said that he said we're not close.
I know a good cook when I hear one talking. What were you talking about fixing up?
Oh, we're talking about fixing up them.
Oh
Flashlights. You don't get to keep them here.
Oh
no! Here you go.
Oh, yes.
no! She had to eat her friend.
Oh
Oh, yes, her friend Taryn. She got to eat her. Her toes.
Sammy made me do it.
no! I don't want to eat you guys.
Well,
be very
now, wait,
tasty.
I got a huge question for you.
What's that?
They told me that you guys have been chosen.
We were put in the cage.
And if you were chosen, why aren't you being sacrificed to our gods?
Because we escaped.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, they're escapers.
It sounds like it.
Oh, which one of you figured out how to escape? It was you. Oh, good. Come over here.
Gave me a stick and
Come to
said,
the front of the line. Come on over here.
all
I
right.
call this the exit. Or also goes by the name closet. Where you now reside. I hear more of you out there.
probably the guys that were painting us.
I'll take care of them.
They were not.
Why are you crying?
I'm sorry.
Are you going to ruin this party too?
I'm sorry.
You're gonna ruin the fucking party! I will put you back in the fucking cage and we'll eat you too!
No.
Trying to have a party here. What were you saying, Cheryl?
Oh, I didn't say.
I
was
heard you
just
say something. Come here.
Sorry. Okay.
Join your friend in cause and trouble.
Okay.
Don't step in his shit.
In here.
He did say he took a fucking shit.
He did.
Either of you want a glass of wine while you're here?
Sure.
All right. Always love somebody who's here to party. Weird practices do you have? Do you drink blood? Yeah, I know. It's a f***ing party. It's just your turn. Get in the f***ing closet.
Great.
Watch out for the turd.
Oh. And then there's Derek. Oh, there's a dead person.
Yes.
Pissed in there earlier.
Shoot.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Oh no, it is a person. Oh no.
What in the world? Whoa. Whoa. It's the Easter Bunny Massacre again. Shoo. Payow.